day we met, it went very fast. You brought the paperwork to me. We met. You were very understanding. You put up with an overloaded brain here. Went quickly. It was a pleasure. You're a great businessman and you're a great man.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.